In today's article, we're talking about the increased wait time for your U.S. passport. If you're intending on traveling overseas this summer, you should apply soon to ensure the arrival of your passport on time. The U.S. State Department has reported an increase in passport application processing as more U.S. travelers plan international trips for spring break and the upcoming summer season. It's important for travelers to be aware of the current wait times for passport processing and plan accordingly to ensure their passport arrives in time for their trip. Currently, the turnaround time for a standard passport renewal is 8 to 11 weeks, according to the State Department website. This means that travelers should apply for their passports at least 3 months in advance of their travel dates to allow for processing and delivery time. For those who need their passports sooner, the State Department offers an expedited renewal option for an additional fee of $60, which can take 5 to 7 weeks. It's important to note that expedited processing does not guarantee the arrival of the passport by a certain date, so travelers should still plan accordingly and apply as early as possible. It's also worth noting that first-time passport applicants must apply in person at a passport acceptance facility and cannot use the expedited renewal option. First-time applicants should allow even more time for processing and delivery, as the application process can take longer and may require additional documentation. Overall, travelers should prioritize applying for or renewing their passports as soon as possible to avoid any delays or issues with their travel plans. It's important to stay up to date on current processing times and plan accordingly to ensure a smooth and stress-free travel experience. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe, like, and share. We upload content daily,